If you're constantly busy but still feel behind, this is for you. Just think about it. You clear emails constantly throughout the day. You attend meetings back to back. You deliver on your promises, on your job, and you even solve problems. But yet, there's this low-level sense that you're running fast but not necessarily forward. Now, that feeling is not incompetence, it's directional drift. And it's not a lack of effort for most high-functioning professionals. The issue is that they lack a North Star. And without a defining North Star, each decision becomes a negotiation. Should I take this project? Should I accept this meeting? Is this strategic? Is this urgent? When you don't have a clearly defined mission for this season of your life, your brain has to reevaluate every opportunity from scratch. And that creates decision fatigue, identity friction, cognitive drag, and even subtle burnout. So it's not being slow, that's not the issue as far as being behind. It's being unfiltered. That's the actual issue. And the North Star principle is pretty simple when it comes to this. Align all your decisions to your singular mission. Now, of course, you have to define your mission, your purpose, but even while you're trying to figure those things out, do something at least for the next 12 months, not forever, where you define a mission that you can adhere to and stick to. When you define a clear North Star, uncertainty drops because options collapse. Effort drops because fewer debates are required. Risk drops because you stop chasing misaligned goals. And identity stabilizes because you know what you're optimizing for. Most professionals operate without this filter. So they say yes to everything that looks important. And importance is not direction. So here's the uncomfortable truth. If your calendar doesn't reflect your mission, you don't have a mission. You have activity. And the North Star principle isn't about finding purpose. It's about building a decision filter. And once your decision filter actually exists, clarity becomes what? Automatic. Hands down, decision and direction beat speed every time. Now, if this resonates, the full framework is inside the Signal Life Law's North Star principle. It walks you through how to define your North Star and build a personal operating system that reduces friction daily. Because productivity without direction always feels like running uphill. If you want to stop feeling behind and start feeling aligned, check the link in the description and explore the North Star principle inside the Signal Life Law series. Build the filter and reduce the friction.